I made over your mama's blackberry dumplings so it does not spike your blood sugar levels. This diabetic blackberry dumpling recipe is crazy simple, delicious, and I promise it's a huge crowd pleaser and it's gonna bring back some great memories.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
These ingredients are found at your local Walmart because y'all know I need to save me some money. We have our great value triple blend berries. This is a great product. I love it. It's in the frozen section. There's no added sugar. If you want to do a different brand, just double check that label. Make sure the ingredients are just that fruit. We have our Kerrygold. Now, I love to save money, but this is one item that I do invest in. I will say it is a little bit pricier. However, my local Kroger runs a lot of specials on this. They do that. You buy it, you get $1 off, etc. I am a huge weekly ad, circular, coupon, whatever you want to call it. Now, carbquik is my other investment item that I do. Almond flour, I love it, but it does not work in a lot of recipes, and particularly this recipe, it will fail. This is at Walmart. It is a large box. You will get great usage out of this. It's not a one product buy all. So I realize sometimes it's hard to put out that money at first. This is a worth it product. We have our plain Greek yogurt and my sweetener of choice, which is Swerve. Get yourself a measuring cup, and to your bowl, we're gonna add a cup of carbquik. Now, if this is your first time using carbquik, you can see it. If I take the carb off, it's like a bisquick. That's exactly what it looks like. It's exactly what it smells like. We're going to add to this a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now, I'm not using a fancy piece of equipment. I don't have the gorgeous, I guess, bread machine, hook, fork, Hamilton Beach blender. I actually do. I just don't use it because I'm lazy and I don't want to clean it. Let me know if you're the same. Now, you're going to see that this is kind of hard to mix. You know, it's not going to be the easiest thing. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. That's it, gang. We do not want a cake batter style. This is going to be a dumpling, and you're going to continue to mix that. A lot of folks are going to ask me about almond flour, and it's a big no. And where are my manners? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelly, aka Dietitian Shelly, and I post videos here pertaining to diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, and more. So if you're ready to lower those blood sugars, lose some weight, all while eating some yummy, delicious foods and learning some great tips, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Once it's mixed, you're gonna place that bowl to the side. Moving over to the stove, y'all can see how I measure. We're gonna use half a bag of this, so it's about 1.5 pounds of your berries. I'm gonna line it up in my saucepan. You can see how pretty this is already. This is a gorgeous recipe. Remember, we're big on the berries in here. I've done a ton of videos on this channel about the importance of eating all types of berries because they're low on the glycemic scale and they're high in fiber. We're putting this on medium heat, and to our berries, we're gonna add a tablespoon or less of our butter. And again, I have Kerrygold. Just make sure what you're using is 100% butter. We're gonna add half a cup of water to this, and then we're gonna add about 1/3 cup of our Swerve. And as everybody always asks, of course, you can use the sweetener of choice that suits you and your family's taste buds. We are gonna bring this to a boil. Take a big ol' inhale, y'all. This smells so good, and it's starting to boil, okay? And really looking at this, y'all, I'm from Louisiana, and if you had that Cajun or Southern mama who made any kind of dumplings, or you went to a fair and a festival and they had dumplings, there's this great ice cream shop back home. They have a blackberry dumpling ice cream. Oh my gosh, it is so good, but I'm staying away from it. No big deal. It's just something that just brings back these great memories. And oh, the smell of it is so good. Now, once it hits that really boiling level, we're gonna drop the carbquik mixture by tablespoonfuls. And I mean, look at this, y'all. This is not your mama's diabetic dessert, which was like, let's get some fruit Napoleon, put a little bit of Cool Whip on there. This is hot. This is delicious. It's amazing. We gotta lower it to medium heat. Y'all see what I look like with no makeup. And we're gonna put a lid on this. Now, I couldn't find a lid. You could tell I'm like, I'm a little disorganized, but who cares? We're gonna cover it. It's gonna cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And look at this. This is absolutely stunning. This is a gorgeous recipe. It will not spike your blood sugars. It's diabetic friendly. It's pre-diabetic friendly. Heck, it's overall healthy. So the entire family's gonna love this. Scroll in the description for the actual recipe. And the surprise is download your 7-day menu. I want you to, because I want you to improve your blood sugar levels. I want you to lose weight. Gang, it's Dietitian Shelly. I want to make sure you subscribe to this channel.